If you suffer from urinary incontinence, you're not alone, but it can often feel that way. In fact, millions of men are living with incontinence, and that number has been growing faster than ever before. But dealing with urinary incontinence is more than just an inconvenience. It can be expensive, painful, embarrassing, and even lead to severe depression. Now, you can free yourself with Men's Liberty, a new alternative for managing men's urinary incontinence that'll help you take back your life. Before Men's Liberty, the solutions for managing men's urinary incontinence involved one of three basic options: internal Foley catheters, external condom catheters, or diapers. But even with so many choices, each presents a variety of problems. Internal catheters are painful and difficult to insert and pose a very significant risk of infection. External condom catheters often irritate the skin, can easily leak, and are painful to remove. Diapers or pads are simply embarrassing to use and can start to smell if not changed regularly. Only one product can effectively eliminate all of these problems: Men's Liberty. For the first time ever, you can now regain the freedom to live your life while managing urinary incontinence with ease. Men's Liberty is painless and easy to attach. First, make sure that your anatomy is clean and dry. Wash your groin with either ivory or gold bar dial soap. This is important because other soaps contain moisturizers that hinder the Men's Liberty from sticking. Use the BioPlus wipe and thoroughly clean the head of your penis. Let the BioPlus dry until it is no longer sticky. Be sure to remove the paper shell before you begin. Next, hold the Men's Liberty so that the flower-looking portion is facing up. Line up the opening of the flower-shaped portion with the tip of your penis. Remove the release papers and press the flower to the tip of your penis. Then, one by one, press the petals down, alternating sides as you go. Once attached, hold the petals to your skin for 20 seconds. Next, allow the wings to drop down. Pull off the release papers as you wrap the wings around the head of your penis, one side at a time. Hold the wings to your skin for 20 seconds to ensure a tight seal. Once attached, Men's Liberty now directs urine away from the skin, which greatly reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. It can easily be emptied multiple times a day as needed. Men's Liberty uses a latex-free adhesive that is safe and hypoallergenic. Plus, our patented design forms a complete seal and will not pop off. After use, the device can be easily removed by gently pulling the adhesive bands away from your skin. For added comfort, use Bioderm spray to loosen the adhesive for a pain-free removal. Best of all, Men's Liberty is discreet as it fits comfortably in your underwear, completely unnoticeable beneath your clothes. Living with men's urinary incontinence has never been so easy. Plus, Men's Liberty is covered by Medicare and most major insurances. Take back your freedom. Take back your dignity with Men's Liberty. Freedom is just a phone call away. Talk to one of our representatives today.